Are you struggling to see the right data that you need inside of your SmartSuite apps or solutions? We're going to be going into detail about a specific view type, the dashboard view. What we will look for here is the dashboard. So let's go ahead and use this button, go ahead and add a widget. We want to look at some charts and see how we can slice and dice that information. Now, our next step is to come into the widget settings and make sure that we've established this particular widget to show us what we want to see. Here's our first option. What type of chart are we looking at? We're going to look at the solution level. So of course, for us, we are in our inventory tracking solution, and we can drill on down to that revenue field and get an idea of what's happening here. Now, once I'm happy with this, I can go ahead and add this widget. We can, of course, from here, add additional widgets. And there are many, many different ones you can include. The point is that you can include information so that you get everything that you need to see all in one place